Hello, this is my lecture 3 on differential equation for third sem honors and DSC students. I'm Ms. Ranjana Datta from the Department of Mathematics, the Graduate School College for Women. Today we will study linear differential equation of the second order with variable coefficients. This type of equation can be written as d2y by dx square plus p dy by dx plus q into y is equal to r, where p, q and r are the function of x. Hence, to find the solution of this type of equation, we use number one, that is remove of the first derivative. Number two, the by changing the independent variable. Number three, variation of parameter. Now, for the first type, removing the first derivative. Let the function is d2y by dx square plus p dy by dx plus qy is equal to r. Now, take, take yx is equal to rho in x into ux. That is y is equal to rho into u. Then taking the differentiation with respect to x, we get dy by dx, and similarly d2y by dx square, and then putting these values in the original equation, that is equation 1, we get the solution as shown on your screen, and that is equation 3. Here we can see d2u by dx square is of second derivative, and du by dx is first derivative, and another is constant. So we will remove here, we will remove the first derivative, that is du by dx. We put du by dx is equal to 0, that is coefficient of du by dx is equal to 0. So if we put, we get 2 by rho minus d rho by dx plus p is equal to 0. From this we get d rho by rho is equal to half minus half p dx, and from this rho is equal to e to the power whatever written minus half into p dx. So after putting this is equal to 0, we get d2 u by dx square plus 0 plus q1 u is equal to r1, where q1 is written and r1 is also written. Now we get d rho by dx is equal to minus half p into rho. Again, differentiating with respect to x, we get the values whatever seen on your screen. Now q1 is equal to whatever, and putting these values we get the values. So here after putting these values we get d2u by dx square plus q1u is equal to r1, where q1 is equal to q minus half d2 dp by dx minus 1 by 4 p square, and r1 is equal to r e to the power half p dx. Now, so for example 1, take an example, that is d2y by dx square minus 2 by x dy by dx plus 1 plus 2 by x square into y is equal to 0. Here p is equal to minus 2 by x, q is equal to 1 plus 2 by x square, and from this rho is equal to e to the power minus half p dx, and after calculation it gives x, and q1 is equal to the formula q minus half dp by dx minus p by 4, and after calculation it gives Q1 is equal to 1. But we get from the formula d2u by dx square plus q1, and here q1 we calculated is 1. 1 into u is equal to r1, and r1 is here 0. So d2u by dx square plus u equal to 0, and previously we did that this type of equation when solved gives us u is equal to a cos x plus b sin x. Hence y is equal to rho into u, so y is equal to rho into u. This gives us the result. Now, to solve this type of equation again, d2y by dx square plus p dy by dx plus q is equal to 0 for changing the independent variable. So this type of equation we may get mm, 1 plus p plus q. If it comes about equal to 0, then the sum of coefficient are 0, then y is equal to e to the power x, or y equal to e to the power minus x is the particular solution of correction factor. In general, if for some solution a square minus pa plus q is equal to 0, then y equal to e to the power ax is the particular integral of the correction factor. If next time, if p plus qx is equal to 0, then y equal to x is the particular solution of CF. Now, take one example, x into d2y by dx square minus within bracket 2x minus 1 dy by dx plus within bracket x minus 1 into y is equal to 0, which gives us 1 plus p plus q. The coefficients when added, this gives us 0. Hence y is equal to e to the power x is the particular solution of this reduced equation. Now take y is equal to v e to the power x. Then differentiating one time, and second time we get, and putting this into the original function, we get d2b by dx square plus 1 by x dv by dx is equal to 0. Now put dv by dx as rho, so that d rho by dx plus p by x is equal to 0. So after calculation we get rho is equal to c1 log x plus c2. So y is equal to v e to the power x will be the solution of this, and so this is equal to e to the power x within bracket c1 log x plus c2. Now take another example. Solve x square d2y by dx square minus 2x within bracket 1 plus x dy by dx plus 2 into 1 plus x into y is equal to x square. Hence, the equation in the standard form can be written as, then if we collect the coefficient p and q, and then if p plus qx is done, it comes about 0. So here, mind it, y is equal to x is the solution of the reduced equation. Now, y is equal to, suppose vx, then find dy by dx and d2y by dx, and then put in the original equation, and then we get d2v by dx square minus 2 times dv by dx is equal to 1. Now put dv by dx is equal to p or rho, then d rho by dx is equal minus 2p is equal to 1. Then after calculation uh, we get y is equal to vx is equal to v and x. This is then the solution or the answer of this equation. So 1 plus p plus q is equal to 0. Then put y is equal to v into e to the power x, and when the equation gives us p plus qx is equal to 0, then the solution is obtained by putting y is equal to vx. So thank you, students. This much for today only.